Make sure you stay until the end. People make a common mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars, so we'll share what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia with a Gdi engine guys, any Gdi engine, you have check engine light on and you have any of the following 5 codes. I'm talking anything from code P0190, 191, 192, 193, 194 guys. Stay with us, we'll explain what causes that and one simple mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars. So stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. This is guys a 2.4 Gdi engine that we'll be demonstrating on, but almost all Gdi engines will be built on that platform. You may have a 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4 or 2.5 engine. Many of you have asked us in the comment section below to share information about the diagnostics that we recommend and use. This is the one guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features, but it works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai Kia is right here and you can pay itself off in one-time use. So if you guys have any of these 5 codes, okay, let's explain what causes that. Well, you can see here you have the intake manifold removed, okay. The intake manifold is removed and right underneath it is the fuel rail and the fuel injection system of that vehicle, which is direct fuel injection, so it sprays the fuel directly in the cylinder. The NPI engines used to spray in the valves, in the intake valves, but now they just spray directly, okay, in the cylinder. For instance, to fix that code guys, you will need to remove the intake manifold. We have the video on the channel how to remove intake manifold, so check it out. One simple mistake people make, okay, they forget to actually disconnect the car battery, and you have positive wire here on the alternator and the starter, and if you touch it with a tool or something, you can short things, you can mess the engine computer, the electronics on your car. And if you do not disconnect the car battery the correct way, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, you can cause damage as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below to a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first. Once you do that guys, okay, you come to here, what you need to inspect, check the wiring harness, make sure it's not broken or melted, because broken wire can trigger that code. Number 2, okay, remove the wire from the sensor itself and inspect the wires on the back side. Make sure they're not pulled out, because sometimes people will yank, okay, the connector for the wires, and that can cause a loose wire as well. Make sure it's not contaminated with anything, make sure it's clean. If that doesn't fix the problem, most likely you have a bad fuel rail pressure sensor guys. We have a special video that explains how to safely remove and replace fuel rail pressure sensor, so please check it out and it will teach you how to do that. But most likely, okay, you have a bad sensor or a loose wire. Now, if you want to see how to test fuel rail pressure sensor on Hyundai Kia, we'll have the video on the channel as well. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching and see you next time.